Does GoDaddy support Python? Yes, GoDaddy supports Python across various hosting plans, including Linux hosting cPanel and Windows hosting Plesk. However, the level of support and ease of setup can vary depending on the hosting environment. 1. Python support in GoDaddy hosting plans. Linux hosting cPanel. GoDaddy's Linux hosting plans support multiple Python versions. Users can select the desired version via the Python Selector in cPanel. Windows hosting. Plesk. Python is supported alongside other scripting languages, providing flexibility for developers. 2. Available Python versions. GoDaddy offers a range of Python versions to accommodate various application requirements. Python versions via Python Selector 2.7.183, 3.3.7, 3.4.9, 3.5.9, 3.6.11, 3.7.103. Setting up Python on GoDaddy hosting. For Linux hosting cPanel, accessing Python Selector, log into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to cPanel and select the Software section. Click on Set up Python app to choose your desired Python version. Installing Python applications. After selecting the Python version, set up your application directory and configure the virtual environment as needed. 4. For Windows hosting, Plesk. Configuring Python support. Access your Plesk control panel. Navigate to hosting settings for your domain. Enable Python support and specify the desired Python version.